What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez guy here at Pezomania Special Edition with a great dispenser here. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, there's a giveaway for a bank in Austria, Landerbank. See the dots? This is the only animal where the whole body appears on top of the dispenser. It is the hippo. Make sure it does have that little tail piece that sticks out there. That little tab can break off very easily. And then it says hippo on this side as well. It will be a plastic head spring as you see inside of there. Very rare, very cool looking Pez dispenser. So that's what the hippo looks like. I'm glad I'm able to show you guys these videos and these special, really hard to find Pez dispensers. That's what these Pez conventions are about. So you can learn and find out a bunch of stuff, and I really enjoy sharing this with everybody. I do apologize, my voice is wrecked, but that's what a convention will do to you. It'll run you over like a hippo. So until next time.